How to change your country on Reddit. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just click and open Reddit. Then when Reddit is opening, guys, you will just go here, click on it, then go to settings, and on settings, guys, you have to go to account setting for you. Then click country, and now you have to change. You can change it for whatever you want. For example, I will change it to Croatia, and as you see, change it. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.